I guess, keto angel food cake with some fresh strawberries. So we were doing this and we thought we would hop on and just do a live and show you how we do it here. So if you're watching, go ahead and give some love. So we have Spencer right here and we have Olivia right here. So she's chopping up the strawberries and Spencer is separating the egg whites from the egg yolks to just show you how we whip up like I said, a low carb angel food cake is what we eat with our strawberries. So if you're watching, go ahead, make sure you wave and say hello, right? And I think, is this light too bright in the background? Let's just see here. Is that better? I think that's better. Okay, can you see, Liv?
Yep.
Okay, so make sure you say hi. Let the kids know that you're watching, and let us know where you're watching from. Let's see here. Andy is saying hello. So we have lights in our eyes and it's really bright. So we'll do the best we can to keep up with the comments. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see here. So Spencer, tell them a little bit about you. What do you like? What do you like to do?
I like to play soccer.
Yep, so Spencer likes to play soccer. And Livy, what do you like to do?
Do swimming.
You like to do swimming. Livy is also my guinea pig when it comes to, I always say guinea pig, and I shouldn't say that because you're beautiful, and I should should call you my model. So she's my model for when I like to try different makeup things, right? So, for those of you that don't know who I am, my name is Jen Rao, and I am the backseat driver to helping moms create a life of abundance, infinite confidence, and healthy habits. So you're wondering, what does that mean? Basically, it means I'm your guide to helping you look and feel beautiful inside and out. And so today we're going to focus on the inside part because we're making a healthy, low-carb strawberry angel food cake. So, Livy, why don't you show them how pretty the strawberries are? So we've just visited our local strawberry farm and we got a bucket of fresh picked strawberries. They're beautiful and they're delicious. Spencer, check out Andy's comment. This is a little bit about Spencer. What did she say?
I was thinking about saying that.
Get on the camera. You're not in the camera.
Yes, I do play Fortnite.
We can't see your face. There we go. You gotta stand on your tiptoes. When you stand on your tiptoes, we gotta be above the comments. There we go. Okay, so anyways, back to our what are we making? Angel food cake. It has just a couple ingredients. It's super simple. Spencer, why don't you tell them what part you're working on?
I just separated the egg yolks from the egg whites.
You gotta be on camera. Say that again. I'll step out. We'll let Spencer do the talking.
I separated the egg whites from the egg yolks.
Okay. And then, how many did you separate?
1 dozen.
1 dozen. And Olivia, what are you working on? Tell them what you're working on.
Cutting strawberries.
Beautiful. Okay, so when we do our strawberry shortcake, we tend to end up putting our strawberries through the food processor because it changes the texture a little bit. So that's kind of our compromise. Get in here, dude. He's trying to sneak away.
Dude, take it out of the space.
We love strawberries. Spencer likes the taste of them, but he's not always crazy about the texture, right, buddy? So they have a lot of great properties. So what we found is if we put them in the food processor for him, the texture is better and he likes it that way. So we can always leave a couple extra sliced ones on the side for those of us that like them a little bit more whole, so we can kind of mix them together. So all we're gonna do is, so Spencer already separated, you can't really see, yeah, you can kind of see him in there. So he already separated 1 dozen egg whites, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna just throw them into the stand mixer so that they get nice and fluffy. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and that will take just a little bit. So it might be kind of noisy, so bear with us, okay? Let's see here. All right, here we go. So guys, when you're hopping on, make sure you say hello. Let the kids know where you're watching them from. All right, Liv, go ahead and turn on the mixer. Turn it on high so we can get there. Yeah, that's right.
Is this enough strawberries?
Let's do a couple more. So we're gonna just let this whip up just a little bit. You can just set them to the side. That's fine. All right. to this is to make sure you guys whip your egg whites really stiff. Are we in a slurp?
I didn't think we were.
Dad, you use it all?
What do you mean?
Oh, the flour?
No. Really? Alright, well we're going to have to use... So today we're going to actually use Lakanto for our sweetener because apparently Brad used all of our confectioner's Swerve and he didn't put it on the grocery list. So babe, if you're watching, not cool! Alright. So our egg whites are getting nice and fluffy. So Spencer, tell them what you're thinking. Okay. You gotta talk really loud. Look at the camera. You're doing great.
I didn't know what to do with the pan.
But what do you do with the pan before you bake stuff? What do you always do?
Spray it.
Yep, there you go. Show them what you're spraying it with.
Coconut oil.
Yep, pretty good. There. Make sure you get it all the way up here. Alright. So you can set that aside. What else is your, what else do we need to do to the oven?
Preheat it.
To what degrees?
Let me see. 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay.
Alright, and then why don't you talk about the protein and stuff that we're going to use? Because we don't use flour, right?
Strawberry white protein.
Whey protein.
Whey protein.
From
Stickers
J-Rob.
from J-Rob. My
Right.
sticker is covering it up, so I couldn't.
Okay. Alright. So, how are the egg whites?
I don't know.
Are they getting nice and fluffy?
Guess so.
So I don't know if you guys have kids and they like to help you in the kitchen, but I found that trying to implement more of a healthy lifestyle, getting the kids involved has been the key to making the transition away from a lot of processed food. So when they help out, they get excited, and I have like help them look at Pinterest and come up with recipes or find different ideas of things that they like to make. So that really helps. So I encourage you, if you have kids and they want to help in the kitchen, let them help. All right. What does it say here? Hey, Anthony, how are you? Scroll up one. All right, Libby's telling me to scroll up one here. Oh. Oh, smile and wave to me, Olivia. Smile and wave. Smile and wave. Swerve Confectioners at my house. Should I run it over? Oh, thanks, Sandy. That's really sweet. I think what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to take our Lakanto and probably run it through the, probably the coffee bean grinder. So, so guys, that's another tip and trick you can use if you need to take your low carb sweetener and make it into a confectioner's. You can run it through a coffee bean grinder. So do you think these are stiff, guys? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at our egg whites and we're gonna see if they're stiff. Now it's kind of, we shut our air conditioning off and we probably shouldn't have. Okay, so look at that bowl of fluffy egg whites. You can see that they're really stiff. So next, what are we gonna do next, guys? Huh? Oh, I think they're going to turn my air conditioning back on. All right, so while they're folding in this protein powder, I am going to grind up some Lakanto so we have some confectioner's powdered version. So you guys go ahead. Spencer, how much of that do you need?
I don't know, my iPad keeps on turning off.
I think you need a cup, buddy. All right. And these strawberries, how are they, Liv?
Really good.
One
Really
cup
good.
plus 2 tablespoons.
Okay, so we could just go with the 1 cup of the protein powder, and I think that will be fine.
Oh wait, no, that's the Lakanto.
No, is that the Lakanto? Yeah. What's the protein powder?
Yeah. Protein.
You need 1 cup with 1 tablespoon. Is one, so the protein powder.
1 cup with 1 tablespoon. Okay.
Yeah.
Do I need a spatula?
No, you should be able to just take the measuring cup in there.
What about for mixing it?
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yep, go ahead, Liv. The 1 tablespoon. The plus side about having a tiny kitchen is everything's at an arm's length away, right, guys? Maybe a little crowded for all of us. Okay, how much do we have there?
Do you think this looks good?
Yeah, that looks powdered, and we'll measure that out. How much of that do we need? We need 1 cup of that. So go ahead and measure that out. And we're also going to add in a little bit of vanilla, right, guys?
Sure.
So Spencer, right now, why don't you lift it up so you can show them what you're doing? Just lift it up there so you can see. So right now, what are you doing? Tell them what you're doing.
Mixing the protein powder with the whipped up egg whites.
Okay. So are you mixing it or are you folding it?
Folding, I guess.
Folding, he guesses. He's folding it very well. So the trick, guys, is you do have to fold the protein powder in because you don't want your egg whites to fall. Because we're not cooking with flours or anything like that. We want that volume to come with the egg whites. So. It's looking good, looking good. So we happen to have the strawberry J-Rob whey protein right now. You can use vanilla, you can use chocolate. They make pina colada, they make orange dreamsicle. There's a lot of different ones that you can use. And that's just happens to be what we're using today. So, and it's not a really strong strawberry flavor. It's just a nice light strawberry flavor. All right, so I think that's good, Spencer. Now we need to add in.
I'm not ready yet.
Oh, Livy's still powdering our Lakanto because Brad didn't put it on the list that we were out of powdered Swerve. Guys, we need to make a note for Dad. All right. Spencer, why don't you go ahead and add your vanilla? Here's a teaspoon, and I got your vanilla here. How much? 1 teaspoon is fine. So Spencer, tell them what you're doing. They can't see what you're doing, so you gotta tell them.
I'm adding vanilla.
He's adding vanilla. Did y'all catch that?
Then fold it in again.
Yep, and then fold that in. And Livy, I think that's fine. Just swirl, if you take this and you swirl it, it'll loosen it up a little bit. So if you guys have an angel food cake recipe that's a little bit more low carb, we would love for you to share. Or if you love strawberries, fresh strawberries, go ahead and give the kids some thumbs up. And we will post the recipe that we followed down below in the comments. And we'll also take a picture after it's done baking to show you how yummy it is and to make you jealous because we know you're going to want some. All right, so that's good. All right, Spencer, go ahead and add our powdered Lakanto. So typically when I bake, or when we bake, I do like a mixture of the sweeteners, of the low-carb sweeteners. Usually the Lakanto, combination of maybe Lakanto, stevia, or Swerve. I feel like the taste just is a little bit more, I don't know, I just like the taste a little bit better. So that's something, if you're trying just one sweetener and you're not really crazy about it, maybe if you mix the sweeteners together, maybe just do half and half, you'll like it a little bit better. All right, how are these coming, Spencer? Is it good?
I don't know if it's good. I haven't tried it yet.
Get on camera, dude. All right, we don't want to overmix or overfold. Do you got all your sweetener folded in?
I should.
You should, or?
I should. I mean, I can check.
Okay, check the bottom. And then show them what it looks like. Okay. All right, can you see that, guys? Let them know if you can see it. And so what he's gonna do next, tell him what you're gonna do.
I don't know.
What are you gonna do?
Since you have this, I'm going to assume we are going to put this in there.
This into our greased pan. Okay, go ahead. No, the strawberries are gonna go on top. Makes it a shortcake. All right. So we're gonna gently pour our batter into the pan.
So
Right?
So I can't just dump it?
Yeah, you can dump it in there. That's fine.
Just watch out for the center.
So when this comes out of the oven, do you think we should take a picture and show them?
No.
No?
Yeah.
You're afraid they're all gonna come over to our house and ask for some, right? And then you won't get any?
Of course.
Oh. All right. Hey, Mitch, how are you? Thanks for watching, guys. And as always, don't forget to share with your friends. Share our videos with your friends. We appreciate it. All right.
I'm gonna quickly get the rest.
The what?
The rest.
Are we gonna have strawberries left for our strawberry shortcake? They're pretty good, aren't they? Yeah. All right. So this will bake in the oven. Oh, I can't remember. It takes quite a while to bake. So about 45 minutes is what we're gonna bake this at. And it's oven temperature of 350 degrees. So it's pretty crazy how you really don't need flour to make some of these treats. All right, you got that? And then go ahead and just gently smooth it out so it's nice and even. So if you have kids that like to help in the kitchen, go ahead and comment kids down below. Or let us know what their favorite part is. These guys, well, actually I think all of us still really like to lick the beaters, and that's probably one of my favorite parts.
I
All
can
right.
tell you my least favorite part.
What's your least favorite part?
Cleaning up.
Cleaning up. Oh my gosh, that's my least favorite part too. What's your least favorite part, Liv?
Cleaning up.
Cleaning up. All right, guys. So, hey, maybe we can work out a deal with our viewers. Maybe we can cook for them, and they'll come clean up. We'll let them sample what we make, but they have to help clean up. How's that sound? Is that a deal?
Do you want to know my favorite part?
What?
Not cleaning up.
Not cleaning up. Oh. All right, guys. So this is what we have. So our egg whites are put into our fluted pan, and we're going to just pop that into the oven for 45 minutes. And we will post a picture of our final product after it comes out of the oven. So if you guys have any questions about what we've done today, go ahead and just leave those questions down below in the comments. We will be happy to get back to you. Other than that, do you guys got anything you want to add? Spencer, he worked up a thirst. He's over here having some water. Are you going to come and say goodbye to your viewers, Spencer?
No.
Really? He's sarcastic. Does anybody have teens that are sarcastic right now?
I'm not
All right.
a teen. I'm only 12.
Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here. All right. So until next time, guys, thanks for all the hearts, the love, and we appreciate it. Why don't you guys say goodbye, and I'll shut the camera off.
Bye.
Bye.
Where's the button? Is it over here? Libby's got it.